Hi Hi9 viewers, I am Dr. Sirisha, Consultant Pediatric Hematology, Oncology and BMT in Rainbow Children's Hospital, Hyderabad, Banjara Hills branch. I am going to discuss about childhood cancer symptoms and signs. Childhood cancer symptoms and signs depends mainly on the type of cancer. Most common cancer in children is acute leukemia, which is in common language called as blood cancer. Other cancers are solid tumors. If it is coming from nervous tissue, it is called neuroblastoma. If it is originating within the brain, it is called as brain tumor. If it is coming from liver, it is called as hepatoblastoma. So there are various childhood malignancies, that is cancers are there. So symptom depends on the type of cancer. So first, if we take most common childhood cancer, that is acute leukemia, the symptoms are fever, loss of appetite, joint pains, unable to walk, bleeding manifestations, abdominal distension secondary to liver spleen enlargement. These things will be there. However, all these symptoms may be there in some other disorders also. Of course, that is why you have to consult your doctor with any of these symptoms to confirm whether it is because of leukemia or some other infection or some other reason. So certain tests like simple blood smear examination will differentiate what is the nature of the problem. And if you come to other malignancies like tumors, symptoms depends on the type of cancer. Once again, if it is coming from abdomen, for example from liver or kidney, you get abdominal distension. So symptom depends on the local site from which the tumor is coming. It can be abdominal distension, vomitings. You may get symptoms related to local area. So based on the symptom, one has to go for the investigations and confirm what is the problem with imaging, biopsy, bone marrow examination, all these things, and then we have to go for the further treatment. So initial problem is to establish, initial step is to establish the diagnosis and then to stage the disease. If it is a solid tumor, if it is acute leukemia, then we risk stratify based on genetics and type of the cancer. If it is solid tumor, then we do the staging workup. So after that we decide on the treatment and go ahead with the further treatment.